Okay, to submit your multi-genre project, you need to do a couple of things. The first thing you need to do is go to all your Google Docs, particularly the ones that you didn't create in Schoology, and you need to change so that I have access to those. So you go to Share, and you go to Advanced, and we're going to change this here. You're going to make it public to anyone on the web that they can view it. All right, this means that then I can see it, and then if you end up sharing your multi-genre project with anybody in your family, they can see it too. Even if you only want to share it with me, making it public on the web doesn't mean that people are just going to be able to read it. They would have to know what to search for, so it's okay to make it public to the web. So you're going to save that, and you're going to hit Done. And then once you make sure that all your Google Docs are public, the ones that you created outside of Schoology are public, you're going to publish your site. So you're going to go to your site and you're going to hit the Publish button. You get to type in whatever name you want to, so it could just be your name, it could be your name and then MGP. In fact, let's do that. Let's put name and then MGP, okay? And then we're going to publish it. So now my site is published. So the next thing I need to do is grab the link. So you're going to go to this little paper clip and you're going to copy the link. Copy that link. Now you're going to go to Schoology and you're going to find the assignment. It's under tests and quizzes. It's a major assignment, so you'll scroll down till you find that. And when you go to submit, it's not showing me the screen because I'm not a student, but when you go to submit, you're going to go to the box that says submit and you're going to find the little tab that says create. And when that comes up, it gives you a little space where you can paste your link. So paste the link in that create box and then submit. And then you're ready.